What surprised me most about the procedure was how simple it was to do. You think afterwards, like right after you have it done, your healing process is going to take a long time. It's going to look like something was done pretty radically for a long time, and it's not the case. It's simple, virtually painless, and very easy to recover from in a matter of a day. What was really unbelievable and unexpected about the whole experience was you knew right away Dr. Brusco was a pro. The way he handled himself, how comfortable he made you feel as soon as you got here during the procedure. What I did not expect, really didn't think much about, was his staff. How comfortable they make you feel. I've known these folks now for a year and a half, almost 2 years, and I feel like I've known them forever, like they're my friends. They call and follow up and ask how I'm doing. Literally, I wasn't home an hour after the procedure. Dr. Brusco called me at home to see how I was doing. So when you come here, I can't even say enough of how well you are treated by their staff. I mean, pampered is probably the best word. Immediately after the procedure, you think it's going to be noticeable by other people. I went back to work 2 days after I had this procedure done. Nobody knew anything. No one looked at me funny. No one said, "Did you have something done?" And I actually told them I had it done. I wanted them to know that I had it done so that they could watch the progression. And when I told them this, they said, "Well, if you didn't tell me, I would have never known." My family and friends, I mean, everybody who knows me or knew me, it's amazing. It's the same reaction every time. "Oh my God, I can't believe how good that looks." To me, it was worth the time, it was worth the money and the effort and the waiting for the hair to grow in, because when you used to look like this and now you look like this, it makes it all worth it. There's no reason in the world, if you don't like this, why you should not do this.